The Kingmaker here with a very important message today about how to achieve harmonic connection. And hell, why do we even want this thing? Another way of describing this harmonic connection would be to say alignment. So often we are so physically focused on the things that we're doing, the things that are happening around us and in our environment, that we do not pay attention to our harmonic connection or our alignment, when in fact, that's the only thing that matters. If we would first attune ourselves to the frequency and obtain harmony with the universe, with God, angels, whatever, source, infinite intelligence, whatever ethereal concept you believe in, then from that place, anything that we do now has been supercharged. It has been sprinkled with pixie magic dust. It can fly. But when we, from a place of disconnection or misalignment, go about our day, we drive to and from work, we have conversations, we end up with arguments. We can eat something that we've eaten a million times and it not taste good. We will stub our toe. We will accidentally slip. We will get some bad news. Like, energy is energy is energy. Frequency is frequency is frequency. And it all follows each other. It's contagious. So the biggest thing I want you to know is that Abraham Hicks used this as an example, and I think this is a very good one, that you can vacuum the floor all you want and get all the perfect vacuum lines in there and everything. But if the vacuum isn't plugged in, nothing got accomplished. So plug in first. I actually have a t-shirt, an Absolutely Ruthless t-shirt that says, wait, alignment, and then. Because nothing is more important than your harmonic connection to the forces of creation. Because if not, what's the point? Why halfway do something? Why go buy a mixer to make some mashed potatoes and not plug it in? Why, buy something that's battery operated and not put the batteries in? We have been just so conditioned to believe that the success of what we do is only associated with our physical effort, that we completely ignore the most important part of the equation. So I'm here today to remind you of this thing. And how you know you're connected, how you know you're aligned, is based on how you feel. If you're feeling good and, you are focused upon whatever positive, wonderful, amazing things are happening in your life, then you are connected. You are in harmony. When you are upset, annoyed, aggravated, you'll notice that everything you touch now is somehow gets more annoying. The people you talk to, somebody saying something or doing something, you drop something, you break something, something gets worse. But when you're feeling good and everything's going great, that is contagious as well. So before you get out of bed in the morning, before you get into your car, before you have a meeting or a conversation with someone, alignment, and then harmonic connection, and then you can tell someone, hey, wait, let me connect. Let me achieve harmony first. Because anything that happens from that place is going to be significantly more powerful, significantly more amazing than something that's going to happen from a place of annoyance or disconnection. I hope this has been helpful. Until next time, sending light, love, and gratitude always. The Kingmaker.